It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and don't tell me this is not beautiful. You wake up, it's time to make some coffee. Look how beautiful this is. Let me show you guys some ocean. Maybe you can hear it. I must just not fall down here. Now, no one talks about the side effect of red tetroetai when you have pure red tetroetai. Talking about, there's two brands that I know that works for me because I can feel it's pure. The one, and the other one, I'll tell you guys, just DM me as well. But this is the side effect. This is my wife's favorite food. This should have been eaten last night already for dinner. We can't get any food in. If we do, it is like you don't want to eat. It's like actually effort to eat. I can't believe this. But she lost over 11 kgs in a month, right? Month and a half. So there you have it. If you get it and you experience those effects that it is, then you know it's pure red tetroetai. And this is how it should work. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll probably post some videos for you guys today as well.